I'm Dr. Leon Koziel, welcoming you back to the Founding Fathers March. Today we're at the Saratoga National Monument. It is here back in 1777 that General John Burgoyne surrendered his British Army to the American Patriots during the Revolutionary War. They had fought a battle about 7 or 8 miles down, and they retreated to this location and finally made their surrender, which was the turning point in the Revolutionary War. Today we're making our dedication en route to the Founding Fathers March to the concept of justice. Justice is a very important part of our governmental system. It was for justice that the Patriots fought here more than 200 years ago. Unfortunately, here in Saratoga, we have a judge that sits on the bench and made a ruling in one of my cases in which tax enforcement agents came on my property, seized vehicles contrary to a court order and contrary to a warrant. They were on the wrong location. And although I came before this judge, Thomas McNamara, he decided that it was premature and that he needed more evidence in order to grant me that injunction that I was entitled to. It was a sad day, a miscarriage of justice, because we go to these courts for the very reason that that is the place that we settle our disputes. The tax department is not immune from the Constitution. The people who fought here at the Saratoga battlefield did not do so with any intent of exempting tax agents any more than police or anyone else are exempted when they invade our properties. In fact, it was the preservation of our properties that was at the core of their reasons for fighting the British. At that time, they were quartering troops and they were seizing property without proper warrants and without proper court orders. We thought we had resolved that problem, but apparently not. Here in Saratoga County, we're not able to get justice, and even though my property is not located here, it's located much further west out near Syracuse, there's one thing that the people of Saratoga do have in common with the people in other counties in this state, and for that matter, all of the communities in our nation, and that is we all have homes. And those homes are all entitled to the same protection regardless of where you live. We expect judges like Thomas McNamara to enter these orders, stopping the tax department and giving us a remedy when they violate our rights. Absent that, what you have is tyranny and anarchy. People will take the law into their own hands. We don't want to see that happen here in Saratoga County any more than we want to see it happen in Oneida, Onondaga, or any of the other counties across America. Judges have a duty, and they have to abide by the law much as everyone else does. And under the law, the judges are required to hold tax department officers, just the same as we do other law enforcement agents, accountable to the Constitution. Because that's what we expect as the people that put them in office. I ask you to join us on this Founding Fathers March, scheduled to occur on April 20th, 2012. From the Saratoga Monument, I honor this day to justice in America. Thank you.